There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? So today I'm on a roll. You already know it's your girl A, and today we're about to slay. We're about to look extra cute. Girl, I'm bringing y'all high energy. I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling great. I'm blessed to be here. So with that being said, I hope y'all are all staying blessed, staying motivated, staying positive, staying out the way, minding your business, and just being cool like that, okay? For one, I've actually already worked with this company several different times, and they specialize in really nice salt and pepper or pepper and salt wigs. So if your hair color has changed to that and you're ready for a wig, you've been looking for a wig, you want something that's easy, then you definitely want to check out Luvwin Hair. Their salt and pepper and salt wigs definitely look very natural. Girl, if you are a grandma and you have the salt and pepper going and you're ready to be a glamour, then check out the information down below. This one right here is one of their pre-everything. And girl, I love a good wig where you ain't got to do much or nothing, but just, style her to your preference and just put her on. This is the Body Wave. I love a good wig in general. Y'all know I say that all the time. Girl, I love a good wig. Okay. And from the looks of it, she's looking real nice. This one is, I do believe, either 13x4 or 13x6. It does come with 3 combs in the front, which is great. And it's also an adjustable, removable band. So that way you can make this bad boy tight as possible. Along with that, there's another comb in the nape and the silicone rubber banding around the bottom. So she's already been bleached. She's already been pre-cut. She's already been pre-plucked. She's already been pre-styled. And girl, she's already been pre-approved by your girl, me. Okay. So what else is there to do but just go ahead and get into this video? Let's do it, girl. Okay.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, that shit that I can't. When the baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Okay, girl, look, whose grandma looking like this in 2026? Okay, clock it, because this salt and pepper and salt lace front is definitely here. I'm thinking I'm looking rather cute in this one. Even if I don't have salt and pepper and salt fully headed like this, girl, I would still rock this wig. What I tell y'all, if y'all love the salt and pepper gray wigs, get this. Very natural looking. This is definitely saying sexy grandma, glamour, sophisticated auntie. This wig is everything, everything. And the fact that it came already curled, I did recurl some of the curls because I just wanted my curls to look fresh. I did want my curls to go a different way. I do like my part on the side. It does come middle parted, so if you love a good middle part girl, then this is definitely for you. Y'all get plenty of parting space in this unit. And the lace is definitely doing what it's supposed to do, which is lacing. Okay, I did pull a little bit of the hairs down on the side just to give me a sophisticated baddie grandma look. Okay, definitely screaming body yaddy yaddy. Okay, body wave. It's not going to be fried out. It's not over processed. The hair is still soft. The wig fits great over my miracle knot braids. Girl, get you one of these wigs. This is actually really, really cute. They did such a really good job on this unit. Like, you cannot tell me that this wig is not tea. They do have different kinds of salt and pepper on their website. You can choose more salt, more pepper, whatever you prefer. Wear this to church and all the church ladies are going to be looking at you like, where you get your hair done? Okay? Natural looking. Girl, get you one of these wigs. You got someone special in your life who has salt and pepper, gray hair, balanced out salt and pepper and salt, and they've been looking for the perfect wig, you definitely want to check out Luvwin. Pre-everything, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled, and pre-approved, okay? You get enough combs and a nice elastic band that's removable if you choose. Girl, check the description box down below. If you stay to the end of this video, leave me a black heart. I love y'all. Stay divalicious, stay positive, stay motivated, stay out the way, and mind your business. I will definitely see y'all in the next one.